Well, you know, a lot of people would love to tackle a woodworking project, but sometimes they think that they might be too intimidating because it might be just too hard or they don't have the right tools. Well, take a look at this bench because I literally took about an hour, maybe an hour and a half to complete this, and I want to show you how I did it. The first thing that I did is I cut my 2x12 down to size, which was about 4 feet. And then what I did is I took the rest of my 2x12 and I cut my legs, which were about 17 inches. Then I wanted to jazz it up a little bit, so I took a paint can and I marked off the little detail on the legs. Then using my jigsaw, I just simply cut out the detail on the legs and I also tapered the legs. And then I also wanted to round the corner on the top of the seat. Then I used my power drill to drill my pilot holes. And then I used a countersinking bit so that the head of the screws would sink down below the surface so I wouldn't get snagged on it. And then of course I just used my sander just to make sure everything was nice and smooth. And I also used galvanized screws because again, we're going to be using this bench out here on the patio. This is a perfect little basic beginner DIY woodworking project. And again, it took no time at all. I would say total in materials, I probably spent about $15 in an hour to an hour and a half. That's not bad.